as you can see, I'm taking the opportunity to plant some squash indoors. Um, right now it's February, and in my growing zone, zone 8B, my last projected day for frost isn't until about May 27th or so, based off the Farmer's Almanac. So with that being said, I'm taking this opportunity to start some squash and some zucchini inside. Why do you might ask? Reason being is because last summer I had a real bad outbreak of squash vine borers. They're a horrible insect that actually gets inside your squash, zucchini plants, watermelon, cucumber, basically anything that vines out. And what I want to do is make sure these plants are nice and healthy before I introduce them to the outdoor climates. So even though my projected frost date goes all the way until about March 27th, I'm starting these plants now so they have a solid 2 months indoors so they can be nice and healthy when it's time to transplant them. The soil that I'm placing them in is actually soil that is a mixture of mulch, leaves, and sticks that have been breaking down for about 2 years. Taking the liberty of going ahead and pre-moistening it because so it will be nice and damp, not waterlogged, but nice and damp for my plants, for my seeds, so they can be able to start. So there's just a little tip for you. If you want to grow squash and zucchini, it's best to try to start growing them indoors so they're nice and healthy. And then when it's your growing season, you can plant them as applicable. Enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy your garden. This has been Gray with Urban Gardening. Thanks for watching.